Welcome viewers, this is Roshmi from Roshmi's Boutique of Kolkata. Today's episode is a Diwali special episode. You will get flat 250 rupees discount on all the sarees. So let's get started. This is saree number 1, Zari bordered Tasar. I would like to mention that these all are Gachi Tasar. The material what I am providing you all are Gachi Tasar. This is Palla part. And it will be the entire body. The material is Gachi Tasar with Zari border. Price is 5450, but you will get 250 rupees discount and the price will be 5200. 5200. All are with silk mark certification. This is the look of the entire sari. This is the look of the entire sari. It's a mauve color, lavender color with the virgin color of Tasar. It's a very beautiful and elegant sari, Zari bordered Tasar. Material is Gachi Tasar. See, it will be the entire look of the sari. Wrapping view of the sari. Original price is 5450, but for Diwali you will get a discount of 250 rupees and the price will be 5200. Along with this sari, I am providing you a blouse piece like this. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Moving to the next one, another Zari bordered Tasar. This is bright yellow color with a green combination. See, these all are Gachi Tasar. These all are Gachi Tasar Palla part. In the Zari bordered Tasar, you won't get much work for the Palla. This is the entire look of the sari, yellow with green combination. This is the entire look of the sari. I will show you in this way. Price is same 5450 and you will get a discount. Price will be 5200. Booking number is 9330866384. You can take the screenshot for booking and send it to my number 9330866384. Payment mode, I would like to mention you the payment mode. You can pay through, this is the blouse piece, you can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link or through net banking. And COD facility is available only within Kolkata. Outside Kolkata, right now COD is not available. Sari number 3, another Zari bordered Tasar, but all are Gachi Tasar with a very good quality. Just see, this is the look. It's a sandalwood color with rust. It's a combination of sandalwood with rust. It's not orange, it is rust. Floral motif all over the body. You will get the similar motifs of flowers. This is the look of the sari. Entire look of the sari. Price is 5450. After discount, it will be 5200. Here is the blouse piece. For booking, take the screenshot. Booking number 9330866384. Moving to the sari number 4. Moving to sari number 4. Another beautiful sari. Just see, all are what I am showing right now. All are Zari bordered Tasar. But see, this is the color combination of the sari. It's a snuff color along with yellow. Snuff with yellow. Just see, this is the motif of the sari. Entire look. Price is same. After discount, 5200. This is the entire look of the sari. It's a beautiful one. For booking, please take the screenshot or send me the sari number. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link or through net banking. Here is the blouse piece. This contrast, you will get a contrast blouse piece along with this sari. This is the blouse piece. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link or through net banking and I will send you the sari through courier. Shipping is free all over India. Now sari number, this is 5. Another very pretty sari. This is Palla part with kalamkari print. This is the Palla part. Again Zari bordered Tasar. Palla part. The material is Zari bordered Tasar Original price is 5450. Now after discount for Diwali I am providing you discount and you will get these sari at rupees 5200. All over the sari you will get polka dots. The color is yellow. The color is yellow, polka dots, palla, and along with this sari you are getting a blouse piece like this. I will show you the blouse piece separately. This is the blouse piece along with this sari, and the price remains same after discount 5200. For booking please take the screenshot. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. Please subscribe, those who like the sari, those who are watching me. Sorry, requesting you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. How do you like the saris? See, this is another one, sari number 6. This is another one. It's a very pretty one. See the color combination. It's a black with chocolate and white. Black with chocolate and white. This will be it's a new block what I am showing you. It's a new print. Price remains same after discount 5200. 5200 is the price after discount, but it's a black one. This is the entire look of the sari. For booking take the screenshot or mention the sari number. Along with this sari you are getting a solid black color blouse piece. Moving to the next one. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. How do you like the saris? This is another one. All the saris you are getting at a discount of flat 250 rupees. This is another one, palla part. I will show you the body. Just see, it's a very eye soothing color. It's a light mauve with the base color is light mauve with block prints. This is the block. You will get an idea of the sari. Price remains same. Booking number 9330866384. Take the screenshot or mention the sari number. This is the draping view of the sari. Along with the sari, you are getting a contrast blouse piece. Again, this is the blouse piece along with this sari. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. Another one. This is also, I have shown this design on silk. Now it is on tussar. Just see. Palla part. There is nothing much in the palla, but I must show you the sari in this way. It is with the gun spray technique has been used with the Paisley block, but see the sari in this way. It's beautiful one. Beautiful one. Price remains same 5200 after discount. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. Please share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. And the booking number is 9330866384. This is the palla part, and I will show you the blouse piece. Just check. This portion is for blouse piece. This portion is for blouse piece. Now I will show you some Gachi by Gachi tussar. These are plain tussar, not with the zari border. The original price for these saris are 6250, but today after discount you will get all these saris at rupees 6000. At rupees 6000. This is the palla part. This portion is for the palla. And this is the body. Just check the body. It's a beautiful one. Those who loves red and black, they can take it. These all are for Diwali special, and you will get a discount of 250 rupees flat discount on all the saris today. This is the look, palla, and along with this sari you are getting a blouse piece like palla. This is the blouse piece along with the sari. This, just check, this is the blouse piece along with the sari. But this is Gachi by Gachi Tasar. There is no zari border and the price is after discount 6,000. Now I will show you another one. This one is with the virgin color of Tasar with black. This is also very pretty one. Just see, palla part. This is the palla part, and all over the sari you will get the similar type of block. Just see, this is the look. This is the look of the sari. I would like to show you the sari in this way. It's much better to explain you the sari. This is with the virgin color of Tasar and black, and the combination of black. It will be the look. Very pretty one, very smart one rather. Material is Gachi Tasar and the price after discount only 6,000. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece along with the sari. Another one, another Gachi Tasar. This is the palla part. This portion is for the palla. Oldie type block on Tasar. This is the palla part and the entire body with the gun spray and discharge print. Just see. But the block is of oldie type. Just see the color combination of the sari. This is also you will get at rupees 6,000 after discount. Entire look in this sari also you will get at rupees 6,000. This is the entire look of the sari. Gun spray technique has been used. I will show you the sari in this way also. It will be the, so that you can get the idea. And here is the blouse piece. This blue color portion is the blouse piece. You are getting a contrast printed blouse piece along with the sari. After discount, the price of this sari is also 6,000. Now sari number, I think this is 12. Another very pretty one. Palla part. This is the palla part. All are Gachi Tasar. And the discounted price is 6,000. Discounted price is 6,000. Just see the color combination of the sari. It's a beautiful one. Very elegant, very sober. Just see. You will get this type of color combination. It's brown with yellow and with the virgin color of the sari, of the Tasar. Just see. It's a very smart one. Will get a corporate look in this sari. For booking, please take the screenshot or mention the sari number. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. This is the palla and it will be the blouse piece of this sari. We'll get a contrast blouse piece for this sari. That's all for today. You are getting 250 rupees discount on all the saris which I have shown today. All are Tasar material. So requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. Booking number is 9330866384.